Event was virtual today. They made the best out of the circumstances they were presented in front of them, and today's message is to share love and hope for others. In previous years, the Race for the Cure would have thousands of runners and walkers in pink. This is the second year in a row they've For those struggling, they want others to know they are not alone.
I just tell, Susan Komen has taught me, you have just got to get out there and spread the word and make sure people know.
Ready to open on June 3rd. We're so excited, but before we talk about that, I want to talk a little bit about some events that COSI has been doing out in the community. So we have some events called COSI on Wheels Curbside.
This emergency broadcast has been issued by our local authorities. 3 days ago, a team of teenager hackers hijacked the television station threatening the Washington, D.C. public. Now it seems one of the men involved is terrorizing the streets of the city. If you live in that area, lock and secure all entrances into your home immediately. This is a continuation of the last emergency broadcast. As of now, soldiers are attempting negotiations with the suspect who is still a threat to innocent life. The man hasn't stopped opening fire on others around him, and so armed forces are considering a more brutal approach to ceasing the hostility. Citizens of Washington, D.C., the threat is over and if possible, it is now safe to leave your shelter. Even though no more death can occur from this point, we have some upsetting news. The president has been brutally killed in an explosion caused rocket-propelled grenade. Kamala Harris has been issued President of the United States and she will address the nation after the damage of this tragedy has been taken care of. It is expected that over 300 innocents have perished and at least 500 have been injured.